Hey everybody, Gulf Coast EDC here. We got kind of some modifications we're gonna do. So, got this budget-friendly Kalashnikov. I'm sure you've seen it before. As far as automatics go, it's a awesome entry level into automatic knives that you can get. I think I picked this. I bought it at the same time with Blade HQ. It's a titanium clip. Now I will say this also has a downside that this right here, when you're holding the knife, creates a bit of a hot spot. See how kind of high that comes up? So one of the things I want to do is we're going to grind this down so it's not sticking up quite so far. Hopefully that'll take care of some of the hot spot that's on this guy. So I think we could probably throw some oven cleaner on this and take this finish off. I think it might be cool, you know, kind of like I'm carrying my mini Osborne today. This is the same, right? This is aluminum, and it was, I'm trying to remember now, I think it was green. Was it green? Yeah, it was green. You know, some oven cleaner on it, took it right off, and then, you know, then I etched it. Give it a little Nordic vibe there. But, yeah, I really like the way that, and there might be, you know, different grades of aluminum, but I like how this one always stays shiny. I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. So I wouldn't mind if this one ended up looking like that. So let's do it. Oh, now it's dirty. Okay, don't pay attention to that. I use this knife, so we'll get it cleaned up for the final reveal. And then there with the pocket clip. Ooh. You can see you got some Loctite on that. That's nice. Another spacer. Oh, there's a thin, probably Teflon washer. We'll have to see. All right, so our pivot casing. Then we've got our spring. So we can see this just catches inside there to hold it. And then probably, I'm guessing that it's going to be attached to one of those 2 points there. Okay. See, there's another little spring right there that's on the back side of this, which is our button. So this is our release button right there. Yeah, that's a release button noise. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this sprayed up with the oven cleaner then. While we wait for that, I'm probably gonna go ahead and clip this clip, grind it down a little bit, get rid of this big honking lip right here. Okay, so use our Dremel. I've already marked off where we'll kind of start, and just like shave that thing off. Okay, cut that off. Looks a little sharp though, so we're gonna grind that down. So you can see here a little before and after, it's kind of what it looks like. I did a little bit of rubbing on here, so got a few spots where it came off, but after we're done kind of using the Dremel, that's what we got. And I'll still, hit this again and polish it up, get it nice and shiny first, but this is basically what it's looking like. This is cool. I like this a lot better than the black personally, so let's get cracking on the other side. All right, so you can see it came out pretty good. I got most all the black off of it. I got all the black off of it. I think it looks pretty cool like that instead of just the black, kind of plain, different, right? This is all black too. I just did like a quick and dirty kind of perlage thing on this. Just kind of testing, seeing what could be done. Kind of like on watch movements, they've got that perlage. Kind of iridescent looking disc pattern. So just curious about it. That's the inside, so nobody will see it. Well, I guess except for me and you. All right, let's get this bad boy back together. All right, so this is our finished product. See, a pocket clip looks like it's got some tiger striping in it. That's a happy little accident. I can pretend I did that on purpose. I forgot that from a previous experiment, I had baking soda and salt in that water. So when I ran the current through it, you can see it started to kind of fry the surface of this thing, and that's where the tiger stripes come from. But then the rest of it, I pulled it out, cleaned it up a little bit, obviously cleaned the water up, and just put baking soda in it so there wasn't any salt. And then it dyed it this, or anodized it this satiny purple-blue color. But I kind of like the way the etching came out on it. Gives it a kind of different look that I like. Happy accidents. But the rest of it came out the way that I wanted to. Instead of black, it's silver. It looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, the oven off, paint stripper, and acetone did not very much to take the finish off this. It did soften the paint, which made it easier, paint. I don't know what it is. I'm assuming paint, but the anodizing, whatever's on it, it did soften up. But then I had to use the Dremel and wire brush. I don't want to bore you with a long time of that. It didn't take forever, but it's kind of boring to watch, so I didn't include much of that. But this is kind of where we are. Still works great. I got a bunch of fingerprints and stuff on it. But sharpened up that edge. Factory edge isn't super sharp, so it's a lot sharper now. And I'm real pleased with that. Basically, I had to get some wire wheels for my Dremel, so they were $10. The other things really didn't work so much, so I won't include them in the cost. So, for $10, anodized this using a power supply, which is, I don't know, like, $99 or something. But you can do it with a couple of 9-volt batteries. So, maybe $13 or something, maybe $15 for this mod. And I really like it. It's going to be different. It's not going to look like everybody else's Kalashnikov. I dig it. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you would have done differently, or what you like or don't like about it. And as always, I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.